tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. Come and buy your own. Auntie, come and buy before everything finishes today. Cook good food. We only live once. Enjoy yourself now.
You don't need to know how to prompt now to create movies and stories for your channel or for social media platforms. All you need to do is to sign up into this platform. Once you add your idea, just like this, I'm going to work, or I want a picture of somebody or a video of somebody going to work, it will create a short plan that is showing you the steps, everything, the storyboard, everything that you need for your video to come to life. That is all. This is beautiful, and let me show you how to create a perfect video for your stories. Okay, so right now, to create your dialogue videos, to create your movies, to create your stories, this is the platform right here, OpenArt platform. And now, once you use the link in the description box, or I'll also leave the link in the comment section so that it will be very easy for you to come into this platform using the link, right? And here is the home, right? So this is home. This is what you see, and if you scroll down, you see sample videos and everything that the platform can be able to do and more, right? So you sign up using your Gmail account, and that is it. Now let's create our video. You can just scroll down from this home, right? You see image, video, character. You just scroll down, you see smart shot right here, right? You click on it, or go to tools right here and just wait a little. Yeah, just this way, and scroll up just the second one. So you see frame to video, text to video, and then smart shot. Click on smart shot, and then this is where the magic happens. This is what we are using to create our movie right now. And the movie we are about to create, I don't have any idea in mind right now, but I'll just add anything that I have. It says example of what my scene could be: a girl playing piano in a gothic salon, emotional music, blah blah blah. Right now, I don't really know exactly what to type. Let me just think a little. Okay, I still couldn't place my hand on something, but let me just say two Nigerian girls, two grown up Nigerian, let me say Nigerian baddies. Is this baddie? No, not babies, baddie. Yeah, baddies walking along the street, walking along the Lagos street with iPhones and heels. One says to the other, "I love Lagos," and the other responded, "Lagos is sweet. Lagos is sweet when you have money. When you have a lot of money to spend. They should laugh and walk out of the scene." Then I will point and say, make it realistic and cinematic. Okay, so this is all that I have on my mind right now. Okay, so I just typed in my idea. Okay, so right now I do not have any reference image. If I do, I will have clicked on these characters and objects right here and imputed that is the photo. If I generated a photo, but nope, I don't have any photo. All right, and for environment, I don't have any environment. It should figure that out. Okay, so now I'll click on this sheet right here, this sheet quality. This is it right here, and then I can put it to low, I can put it to medium, I can put it to high. Let me just put it at medium, because the lesser the quality, lower the credit, right? If I put it to high, it will be better in quality, but the credit will increase. As you can see in this medium, we have 500 plus credits, right? But if I put it to high, it will be 600 plus credits. Okay, so let me just put it to medium, right? And then for the output, this one, and this one, 720, 1080, and 480, right? The 480 will consume how many credits? This is it. But if you increase it to 720, 1000 something, to 780, 3000 something credits, right? I'll just put it to 7 or 420. You can reduce it
and the lesser credit, right? This is it. But if I should increase this to 15 seconds, it will consume 500 and something credits. All right, same, but for the aspect ratio, it has nothing to do with the credits. Whatever aspect ratio, if you're posting on Facebook, if you're posting on YouTube, it has nothing to do with credit. It doesn't increase or decrease the credits. All right, so with this right now, I will set it. Everything is done with my prompt. As I just said, Nigerian bodies, right? So with this right now, I'll click on create video. My video is generating right now. So this is it right here. It is generating right here, and very soon we'll see what we created. I can't wait. So right now our video is done generating, but something caught my attention, and this is wait, this is the video right here, and over here, I don't know, what do you think this is? Wait, let me see. Let me scroll up. No, I want to see this image right here. No, the image. Oh, this is the short plan. Okay, let me go back. Let me open image right here. This is the short plan. Immediately I typed in the prompt. Before it starts creating the video, it already drew the short plan, which means it now knows when the lady, it now gave it different shots. Even the storyboard, as you can see, the close-up shot, the pan, everything, it will draw the plan, just like somebody that is drawing a plan to build, right? A videographer, right? It will now draw the plan of my video. This is AI. Remember, I just typed in my idea. I didn't know how to prompt, but it will help you draw the plan, do everything. This is the short plan right here. Now let's see the video. Let's watch the video. I can't wait. Let me zoom.
I love Lagos. Lagos is sweet when you have a lot of money to spend.
Wow, they walked out of the scene. Wow, let me play this video again.
I love Lagos. Lagos is sweet when you have a lot of money to spend.
Wow, this is a typical Nigerian body. Remember? Oh, my prompt was very simple. It has to it has to reprompt it to fit. As you can see, this is the prompt it's now used. This is the prompt for the image. You have to add your own idea. It will reprompt it, draw a short plan right here before generating your image for you, before generating your video for you. This is beautiful. This is amazing. It even has the scene written Lagos up and down. This is Nkewano Zaza Lagos. It even added music to suit the video. Wow. I love this. This is very good. I don't know what I don't want to say very good. I'll leave you to rate this video. So now rate this video from 1 to 10 using my script right here, just like we all added right here. Nigerian body walking in the streets of Lagos, how it created the whole video, how it was showing the faces, showing the environment, everything, the lip sync, the dialogue. Nobody made mistake and said what the other person should say. So just rate this video from 1 to 10. I will leave you to watch this video for 2 times more. I'll add this video now so you watch it again and again, and then I'll add the prompt that I added so that you see the prompt and then the video is created. Wow, remember I'm doing this with my Android phone. All right, I'm doing this with my Android phone, so you can just use the link in the description box and start creating your video right now. Sign up and start creating. All right, wow, I can't wait to see how you rate this video. I don't know, but for me it is 10 over 10 minus nothing. But for you, let me see your ratings in the comment section. I will be there waiting, right? Use the link in the description box to start creating your videos right now.
I love Lagos. Lagos is sweet when you have a lot of money to spend. I love Lagos. Lagos is sweet when you have a lot of money to spend.
Now you know how to create a perfect video for your channel. So go ahead, sign up and start creating. I'll see you soon.